we got it for free, guys. As you can see, we have all these amazing options. You can use literally whatever you like. It works amazing, guys. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the latest trick how I got Grow a Garden script for free without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, or even you can do it with your PC. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how I got it online, and later we will test it, does it actually work. So for start, let's go to any browser you have. It can be Google or Safari or everything you have, and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on browse scripts. So guys, there you will find Grow a Garden. Click there, guys, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So guys, if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on browser, log in there, and go to your user account, I mean your profile dashboard, and copy your profile user ID, I mean this URL link. When you copy your URL link, you can paste it here. Just click on this button, guys, and it will automatically paste only your user ID. So as you can see, it pasted mine, and just click continue. So guys, it should search for your user account. So there we go, user found. You should get this message, and now you should get connected like this. It's my name and it's my avatar. So guys, listen carefully now. So we will have to get any Roblox executor to get these scripts for Grow a Garden. It's must have. So guys, if you already have any executor, just select I already have a different executor. If you already have Delta executor into your account, just select yes. And if you don't have any executor and you want to import it, just select no, I don't have. So do you have? No, I don't have. I currently don't have, so I will import Delta executor. As you can see, just click here to import it. And guys, now really important step is to select Grow a Garden scripts that we want to get installed and activated. So guys, the best currently scripts are Forge Hub and Meteus. These two are the best, so I will select them and click continue. Of course, you can select literally whatever you like from this list. It has also Red's Hub. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So I will record it more, so yeah. And there we go, guys. API is connected, our user account connected, and we got our activation key. Nice, guys. So we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Grow a Garden script with key. So guys, it's one-time verification, so you don't have to worry, and we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download app, you can download game, you can download literally whatever you like. You can also complete simple questionnaires. It's really up to you. It's just important to complete 2 simple tasks from this list. All these tasks are free and from the official publishers. So if you opt for downloading something like TikTok, so what will I do now, guys? I will download TikTok and Playful Rewards. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from App Store. So guys, as I said, it's all free and from the official publishers, and it's really important to follow their instructions for each task you complete. So for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Playful Rewards, I will download and install this app, then play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I've just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, TikTok and Playful Rewards. And I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute. I have completed it and follow their instructions, and I will wait now with you. So there we go, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Grow a garden script is important to your account, guys. Our user ID and our key is connected. So the last step is to open our Roblox and to test does it actually work. So let's go on grow a garden. Let's click play, guys, and now we will see are we actually receiving our scripts, right? So as I can remember, we selected Forge Hub and NICUs. So let's see. Okay, there we go, guys. We already got our Delta executor, nice. And let's see our scripts. So there we go, Forge Hub and NICUs. So guys, let's click on some scripts and let's see does it actually work. So as you can see, your script is loading, game detected, grow a garden. Let's wait for this, guys, and let's see how does it work. So I will show you everything, like how you can use it, and we got it for free, guys. As you can see, we have all these amazing options. You can use literally whatever you like. It works amazing, guys. So yeah, that's one script, and second script is this NICUs. Let me show you. Oops. So we selected both of them, and guys, you can use both of them. There we go. As you can see, it detects everything, and you have a little bit more options, but they are different. As you can see, you can click no clip, infinite jump, enable jump power. Let's test this, guys. Enable jump power, and let's jump now. So yeah, this is sick, guys. This script is working amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.